Hi, I'm Ruby from Emigh Hardware, and I'm here today to talk about some alien tape. How cool is that? So alien tape is used for like when you can't find anything that can help you stick something outside in the weather, or like even inside. It doesn't matter. So alien tape is used for all different things. You can hang picture frames. You can use it for the non-slip rug. We have him hanging something outside on the bricks, his numbers to his address. We have them hanging it in the kitchen, the spice rack, and non-slip for the bottom of your couches. That also helps, and the chairs. So it's multiple uses. So we're demonstrating a toolkit here. We have a long strip of tape along the back, and we're going to hang this, and it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. So we're going to stick it to the wall, and we're going to show you that it's going to stay. So alien tape is a reusable tape. So it's been there for a long time, and you're taking it off now. So we're going to give it a twist, and we're going to pull it off. So say it sticks onto the wall. All you need to do is peel it back off the wall, give it a little wipe down with some water, and stick it back on, and it'll stick right back where you had it. Nice and secure. So it's on there. I'm moving it. It's on there. So, and that's alien tape.